Being successful in your business sometimes comes down to staying ahead of your competition, so getting found online is essential to attract and retain new customers. Create the face of your business with an easy-to-navigate website that is pleasing to the eye, mobile-friendly, and offers creative content relevant to our services. An omni-channel marketing strategy can attract customers through social media, email marketing, SEO, print ads, or direct mail, which can help promote your business and reach different age groups and demographics. Claim your Google My Business listing, so when customers search Google for auto repair near me or brake repair in your city state, your name, address, and phone number can be found. Positive customer reviews can boost your business's credibility and attract new customers. Partner with influencers or other businesses to create a buzz, help broaden your audience, and build your reputation. With a well-planned strategy, you can market your auto repair shop to get found online, drive more customers to your shop, and secure the victory lap your business deserves. Want to learn more about our services? Please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.